Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Today is Stir Fry Chicken Wednesday. This is my own personal stir fry. I'm in the kitchen cooking like a stir fry. In the kitchen cooking like a stir fry. Felt like a little stir fry. So I have a lot of these are all vegetables, garlic, you name it. You name it. So, and I'm going to add, mine's going to be a little different. I'm going to add chicken that's whole. I'm going to add whole chicken. So the stir fry will go over the chicken that I cooked. I'll be back. Okay, so that video didn't work out. So I love me some bean sprouts. I'm just about done. And some water chestnuts, which are in here with my stir fry. I thickened up the gravy just a little bit. But this is my stir fry for my chicken. That's one pepper that I have not touched. It's a, I don't know if you call it serrano peppers or some kind of pepper that's not really that hot. But I do have some habaneros over there, but I ain't gonna mess with them today. It's just a regular old Wednesday. But I love carrots as well. There's my water chestnuts. There is carrots in here, ginger, red onions. As you see, it's like a broccoli stir fry. So I will make some rice, but my stir fry is pretty much done. And then it's going to be over some boiled chicken that I did. The chicken is boiled. So, this is my chicken. This is my chicken. That's my chicken. That's my dog. That's my chicken. That's my dog. So it's going to go over that. I'm not going to do the regular cut up chicken in it. I'm going to do this over this. So I'm going to turn it off now because I don't want my bean sprouts to, I want them to have a little chew to it. So turn it off now and let it sit. But hopefully I'll get back to you guys when I have a plate ready or as a thumbnail. Have a great Wednesday. I hope everybody has something great to eat. I don't have a top for my pot, so I'm using the pot for a top. But I hope you all have a great day and something good to eat or just something to eat, period. Peace and blessings. Happy Wednesday.